Hello everyone. If you are planning to build a mobile app in UAE, the first question in your mind is always how much will it cost? Is it a 20,000 dirham, 50,000 dirham, or 200,000 dirham? Let me tell you something very honestly. Mobile apps development cost depends on what you are building, how you are building, and most importantly, who you are building it with. Before we go deeper, let me introduce myself. I am Rajib Roy, CEO of Royex Technologies. For more than a decade, we have been building mobile apps and digital platforms for startup, enterprise, and government clients in UAE and GCC. In this video, I will explain everything in a very simple way so you understand clearly before investing your money. Before we talk about cost categories, we need to understand something very important. There are mainly three ways to build a mobile apps. Native apps, built separately for Android and iOS using a different technologies. Very powerful, but development cost and maintenance cost are higher. Hybrid apps, built using a single code base like a Flutter or React Native and deployed to both Android and iOS. Progressive web app, web-based apps that behave like a mobile apps but run inside a browser. Now here is the reality in 2026. Around 95% of business apps today are developed using a hybrid platform because it is cost effective, easier maintenance, faster development. 95% of features work perfectly, one code base for both platforms. So in this video, I will mainly talk about the hybrid app development cost because that is what business choose today. To make it simple, I divide apps into three types. One, simple apps. Simple doesn't mean bad, it means limited logic. Example, basic service request app, e-commerce apps, appointment booking apps, small internal business apps. These apps usually include login sign up, basic dashboard, push notification, simple admin panel, payment gateway. In UAE market, simple apps cost between 30,000 dirham to 80,000 dirham, and cost depends on the feature, UI quality, and backend setup. Advanced app. Now we move to advanced level. Example, taxi booking apps, AI powered apps, fintech apps, crypto trading apps, real-time tracking apps, complex marketplace. These apps requires real-time database, strong backend architecture, high security, API integration, AI model, advanced analytics, load balancing, etc. Advanced app cost between 100,000 dirham to 300,000 dirham because complexity increase significantly. Gaming app. Gaming apps are completely different. Why? Because you need a character design, animation, sound engineering, game logic, heavy optimization, smooth performance on mobile and tablet. Remember, mobile device have a limited graphics power. So gaming app cost around 50,000 dirham to 300,000 dirham and depends on is it a 2D or 3D, multiplayer or single player and the game logic. This is something many companies don't discuss. If your app will have 1000 users, architecture can be simple. But if you expect 1 million users, then backend must be designed completely differently. High traffic apps need load balancing, scalable cloud server, database optimization, caching system, DevOps monitoring. Many companies hide this discussion or they don't have the experience of handling high traffic. Development cost is not the only cost. You must consider server hosting, AWS and Azure, App Store and Play Store fees, annual maintenance, AMC, security update, SMS OTP charges, payment gateway fees, marketing budget, customer support. Many startups spend everything on development and then they have zero budget to promote the apps. So that's a major mistake. Don't budget emotionally. If you have 100,000 dirham, don't spend 100,000 on development. First ask, how much can this app realistically earn year one? Build in phase, start with core features only, launch first, validate market, improve gradually, and keep marketing budget ready. Even the best apps will fail if nobody knows about it. Always keep 10 to 15% buffer for unexpected issues. And never compromise backend architecture just to save money. A weak foundation today will cost triple tomorrow. Smart budgeting is about spending in the right order. In UAE, don't choose based on the cheapest quotation. Ask them, have you built scalable apps before? How many live apps do you manage? How do you handle high traffic? Who owns the source code? What security standard do you follow? And do you provide AMC? Many companies reduce cost by cutting architecture, and later you have to pay triple to fix it. Choose experience over cheap price. Let me summarize. Simple apps 30,000 to 80,000 dirham, advanced apps 100,000 to 300,000 dirham, gaming apps 50,000 to 300,000 dirham. But real cost depends on feature, scalability, security, long-term vision. Mobile apps is not an expense, it is a business engine. If built correctly, it generates revenue for you. If built cheaply, it becomes a liability. If you are planning to build an app in UAE and want honest consultation, feel free to reach out. Let's build something scalable, powerful, and future ready.